Welcome to our latest tutorial, where we'll guide you through the simple process of turning off syncing in Gmail on your PC. This feature can be particularly useful if you're experiencing issues with background syncing or simply prefer more control over your email settings. To begin, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the address bar. You'll notice a small icon next to the web address that resembles either a padlock or an information symbol. Click on this icon to view site information, a crucial step for accessing the settings we need. After clicking on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Site Settings. This will direct you to a new page, where you can manage various permissions and settings related to Gmail. Once you're in the Site Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Permissions section. Here, look for an option labeled Background Sync. This feature controls whether Gmail continues to sync even when you're not actively using it. To turn it off, simply click on the toggle button next to Background Sync until it's disabled. That's it. You've successfully turned off background syncing in Gmail on your PC. This can help reduce distractions and give you more control over how often your emails are synced. Disabling background syncing is especially beneficial if you want fewer notifications throughout the day, or if certain features like auto-sync are causing issues with other applications running in parallel. By following these straightforward steps, not only do you gain better management of your email usage, but also potentially improve overall system performance by reducing unnecessary background processes. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial has been helpful in giving you more control over how Gmail operates on your PC, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks designed specifically with users like yourself in mind. Those who value simplicity and efficiency when managing their digital life tools, like email services such as Gmail.